applying a column to your document. Now I just want to make it specific. I just want to apply this from here to here. Now you come, you highlight, you come up, page layout. When you come to page layout, you can see column. Now you click, you say let's go straight to more column for more option. When you come, you can see, let's say 3. You come to the width, you reduce the space. Now you say apply to selected text. You can see. Now you can say apply to whole document. You can see what will happen. You say whole document. You say okay, the whole document. But you can just say undo. This is what you need. You can come back. You see line in between. You just select line in between. It's smart and intelligent. You can see how it is. So that is column. You have 3 columns. You can test 2 columns. They are also possible.